Did you know your body starts eating your own muscle after just 2 days of doing nothing? Not weeks, not months. 2 days. The moment you stop moving, your body makes a decision. Muscle is expensive to keep. It burns energy just by existing, so your body labels it a waste and starts breaking it down for fuel. Scientists call it atrophy. But what it really is your body quietly dismantling you from the inside. After just 1 week of bed rest, you can lose up to 2 pounds of pure muscle. Your body doesn't wait. It acts fast. What happens if you stop eating entirely? Follow for the next one.